Today we're at Pete The Plumbers showroom, where you will find our panels and doors. This is an end panel. And this one is called the Modern Cameo. It can be done in multiple colors, your choice. That can be done by request. And we come around to our first door, having beautiful colors, natural wood. And of course you can change handles to match whatever your need is. Which is a beautiful beach scene done in epoxy with a customized handle. And of course, another beautiful wood grain with real maple on top of it. And the maple strips can be done in multiple colors. And of course your handles can change to whatever you need. And of course our chameleon, which does start changing in the different lights. So as you walk around, you can enjoy the fun of it. And the center strip, which is in blue, again, can be any color that you want. You just have to order it through us. We want to thank Pete the Plumber for allowing us to use his showroom to demonstrate some of our very artistic doors.
We truly, truly thank you very much. Yeah, this is a great opportunity to share with all the people, and the future creations are going to be done in the very near future. So thank you once again for my expression from DNA. Cheers.
Stop. I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it.